Bright Tuty. Every student matters.
Now we are going to start with the another part of this list, that is, let's assess language conventions. Here you have to complete the passage by choosing the most suitable word from each list to fill in the corresponding gaps here. So here we can see that here we can see one passage is given here and different questions are given, and out of that we have to select the appropriate options for the given passage here. The purpose of education is to, here the first blank, children for life. Some countries think that free education will solve all their problems. However, free education has, then blank, unemployment among the educated and has given them a false sense of, another blank, they considered it below their blank to work with their hands, but work is necessary. If food is not produced and streets are not cleaned, how will a nation thrive? All work is necessary for the society, so one should not be ashamed of any work. So this is the passage given here. Now based on the question attached with that, we have to find out the appropriate option for the given blanks. So if we talk about which of these fits gap 1 the best. So make, set up, organize, prepare. So out of that if we talk about option B is the most appropriate one, that is prepare. The second one, which of these fits gap 2 the best. Every time you have to refer your passage when you are finding the answers to these blanks. So the second one here, if we talk about the first option, generated, then second, produce, created or formed. So according to the passage, if you will refer, option C is the most appropriate one, that is created. Then question number 3, which of these fits gap 3 the best? First is pride, superiority, arrogance or the satisfaction. So according to the given passage, option A is the most appropriate one. Fourth one, which of these fits gap 4 the best? Dignity, pride, decorum or the status. So out of these 4 options, the status, that is the option D, is the most appropriate option. The fifth one, which of these fits gap 5 the best? Practical, manual, physical or the mental. So here if we talk about option B, that is manual, is the most appropriate option given here. So let's come to the passage now. Here we can see that the purpose of education is to prepare, that we have selected the most appropriate option here, prepare children for life. Some countries think that free education will solve all their problems. However, free education has. So for second blank, created is the appropriate one. Unemployment among the educated and has given them a false sense of, third option we selected, pride, false sense of pride. They considered it below their status to work with their hands, but here the last option, the manual work is necessary. The food is not produced and the streets are not cleaned. How will a nation thrive? All work is necessary for the society, so one should not be ashamed of any work. So in this way we have completed the passage or the paragraph by choosing the appropriate options out of the given one.